friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking New York strip steak in the air fryer. So what we need is New York strip steak and seasonings of your choice. I'm just going to use salt and pepper, keeping it simple. So first, let's season steak on both sides. So I'll just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And you can rub the seasonings in. And now I'll flip it over and season the other side as well. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put New York strip steak in the air fryer. And now I'll put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's flip the steak over. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this New York strip steak. It looks amazing. So juicy and moist and perfectly cooked. If you want to see like whether it's medium well or well done, just take a temperature to make sure it's done to your liking. So 145 is for medium, and 155 and up is for well done. So this is going to be medium well, and that's how I like it. So now let's take it out of the air fryer. And let's let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing, and then we'll try it. And now after a 5-minute resting period, let's slice it and try it. It tastes amazing. So tender and juicy. You're going to love cooking New York strip in the air fryer. It's so easy and tastes so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!